Happy Labor Day weekend.
Hello and welcome to the Mount Adams Wilderness here in Washington State. Beautiful.
Oh, such a beautiful weekend.
We are back at our favorite campground, favorite spot.
Here for a couple of nights.
Yep, we're gonna get our camp on and do a hike tomorrow and
some relaxing, some chilling, some good cooking. Ooh, I got a good one tonight too.
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's get this camp put together.
Let's do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
All right, getting camp shed up. There you go. One of the last times we're in the big tent. It's something, our tent's gonna be up there next time. Next time you see us camping.
Next time. All right, so let's go for a tour of the campground and the creek. And then we might go find a meadow. Nope, sorry.
Oh, oh. Watch out for bears. Bear poop. Meadow is 20 feet tall, so pretty spooky out here. Especially even more now after we just saw bear poop, so cool. Back to the creek.
Feels so good down here in the shade with the cold water. It gives it like a nice cool breeze coming down.
Yep, that's cool, all right. Oh. Good job. That was a nice dip in the creek.
Very cold.
And back to camp and cocktail hour.
Cocktail? Ooh.
Let's go.
What do we got on the menu?
Cocktails.
Burger.
Oh.
Bees! Bees! Bees to the star! Bees everywhere! Save yourself! Don't be the hero!
Hope you enjoyed our
Fly
train.
swatting, bee swatting adventure of dinner.
Bee.
Oh my gosh, it was relentless.
He had 0 Fs. He was going for my steak, and I'm like, Good morning.
Good morning. We're having egg and bacon breakfast sandwiches. And then we're gonna get out of here and go hiking.
Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Hiking fuel, baby.
Yup.
All right, we are going for a hike about. There's a little bit of highlights, and we'll catch you back at camp. Probably cocktail hour. We're just going to fast forward through the whole day. So today on the Mount Adams Wilderness, breakfast straight to cocktail hour. All right. Oh, yeah. She's got 0 extra on
Alright, and we're back from our hike.
Wow.
12.2 miles, and then we gained about 2,100 feet in elevation.
Yep. Beautiful views.
We're back to camp,
Yep.
and we're going to get cleaned up.
Oh, what did I just say a couple minutes ago? Cocktail hour.
Cocktail hour.
Breakfast to cocktail hour.
Alright, so it's gonna be cold tonight. So we felt like a little ramen would be great for after hike and take the chill off. So we've got some tonkatsu broth here. Cooking the ramen noodles up. We got some sweet soy glazed chicken over there on that grill. And then as soon as one of these are done, we're gonna throw on some mushrooms and green onions and grill those up really quick, and it's gonna be delish.
And with chicken. The chicken, the broth. Yep.
I'm still going.
So good.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. All right, last breakfast of our camping trip. Doing something a little different. We're gonna make some cream cheese mixed berry French toast. So made some cream cheese, some mixed berry jam, a little bit of sugar, mixed it all up, put it in the toast here, the brioche bread. So now I'm gonna mix up the egg mixture, and then we'll get it grilling. And we got some strawberries, some syrup. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. Let's go.
Wow. Mm-hmm. She's the best. Yeah! Oh, sucker. Just up there looking at me.
Don't even try it, buddy. This is my French toast.
And done. All right. Well, thanks for joining us on another Labor Day camping adventure.
Yep.
We had an awesome time. We're all packed up. Made
Yep.
it better than we found it.
Yep.
Like always. So we are off to head home and clean up and relax and
Clean up and clean up.
and plan our next adventure
Yeah. Thanks for joining us.
on our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Doses.
Bye. Nothing like a Dorito pillow.
Those birds have 0 Fs. They will fly right into your
Into your face.
Yeah. There he is right there.
He's looking at me up there. No, don't even try it, buddy. I will beat a bird down. This is my French toast.
You won't get shit.
No.
Let's eat so we can.
All right,
Okay.
let's do this.
My arm hurts from holding this up.
Bye.